Hello! Welcome to Abby's Phonics. Today we are going to be learning a phoneme. That means it is one letter and it makes one sound. And the letter looks like this. And it makes the sound eh. Can we practice that? My turn, your turn. Eh. Eh. Eh, eh. Eh, eh. Super! Can we think of any words beginning with the eh sound? What about somebody who helps Santa to get all of the presents ready? That's right, an elf. Let's use our sounds in the word elf. E-l-f, elf. Your turn. E-l-f. Elf. Well done. The next word is the name of a type of deer. This deer is called an elk. 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 Your turn. Elk. Elk. Good job. Can you think of another word beginning with the eh sound? What about when we get to the last page of our book? It is called the end. Are you ready? End. End. Your turn. End. End. I love how you made the eh sound. The last word is going to be a little bit trickier with 4 letters. And imagine if there was a fire, where would we run to? We'd run to the fire. That's right, exit. Can you hear the eh in the word exit? Exit. Exit. Your turn. Good job at trying to speed those sounds up. Let's try again. Exit. Exit. Brilliant! You have now learned the eh sound. Make sure you keep practicing this one and then you can go on to learn all of the other sounds. Subscribe to my channel for all my phonics videos and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye!